This afternoon, before we went to air, Assistant Ombudsman Miko Clavano gave a press conference explaining why they decided he can be state witness. He said it was a very difficult decision, but one of the factors was that there were no allegations that Secretary Bonoan received the money. He was part of the conspiracy, though, in that there was a list, and it was Secretary Bonoan who decided who got what commission, what kickbacks. But he himself may not have, there was no allegations though that he received money. And the second factor was his health. Balikan ko yung tanong ni Ami. So I gather from what you're saying, you don't agree with making him state witness.
I don't. Hindi accurate yun. Kung binasa nila lahat yung pinadala kong dokumento, remember when I delivered via a privileged speech yung aking partial committee report, pinadala ko lahat sa ombudsman yun eh. Lahat ng transcript, yung TSNs, yung stenographic notes, tapos documents, testimonies, nandun lahat sa kanila yun. Kung babasahan nila yun, hihimayin nila yun, nandun sa statement ni Bernardo, yung 5 billion a year, 2023, 2024, 2025. So kinumpit ko nga kanina, I did some math, no, bago tayo mag-interview. 15 billion, 15% of 15 billion, easily, that's 2.25 billion. So deduct 25% ng 15% na sinabi ni Bernardo na yun ang binigay sa kanya. So may iwanan pa rin 1 billion 687 million. So kapante para doon si Jose Cabral, sabi ni Bernardo, sa statement ito, kinukot ko lang siya, hindi sa akin galing. So sabi mo naman iiwan sa kanyang 1.2 o 1 billion. So hindi totoo na wala natanggap si Bonoan. Maliwanag yon. Even do sa letter ni nung naglabas si Saldico ng kanyang video, yung Facebook niya, no, na kinontra ni Bernardo. Sinabi niya sa akin, tumawag siya sa akin, baka pwede mag-usap kami kasi mali yung sinasabi ni Saldico na naghatid siya ng 100 billion kay Presidente Bongbong. At sabi niya, hindi pwede mangyari kasi nung pinakita ni Saldico yung listahan, kinumpare niya sa kanyang digital file. Sabi niya, 52 billion dito sa 100 billion, ako nag-handle. So sa 52 billion na yon na hinandle niya, nakapaghatid pa siya kay Bonoan, sabi niya, ng 1 billion. So that's already 2 billion kung kukwentahin natin based on testimonies. So hindi accurate yung sinabi ni Assistant Ombudsman Miko na walang natanggap si Bonoan.
At least
Yun
for
ang hindi pwede mangyari.
Oh, at least for that case that they're looking at right now. So by your calculations, 1.687 billion pesos yung natanggap niya na kickbacks or commission.
Yeah, based on testimonies ito. Based on the testimonies of
Roberto Bernardo. And of course, in this case, mahirap kasi you don't have a smoking gun. You're gonna rely heavily on witness testimonies. And what the ombudsman said this afternoon
No,
is...
Regina, let me correct you. Yung mga sinasabi ni Bernardo, nasa files niya yan. Supported ng dokumento yan. Not really the commission kasi ewan ko kung meron siyang notes. No, kung magkano, I suppose meron siya kasi yan ang nai-impart niya sa akin ng mga unang pag-uusap namin. Na kumpleto siya. Kaya nga nang pinakita ni Sandy ko yung 100 billion, agad-agad kinorekt niya. Tinawagan niya ako. Nasa files niya raw yung 52 billion na hinandal niya. Nag-deliver siya ng 8 billion, tapos 1 billion kay Secretary Bonoan.
So meron siyang documentary
Senator.
evidence. Oo.
I suppose so. Kung papakawalan lang talaga, and he's testifying right now. Hindi ko alam kung ano na yung stage ng kanyang testimonya, kung umabot na siya doon sa pag-testify against Secretary Bonoan.
If the plan is to make him a state witness in order to build a case against former Speaker Martin Romualdez, is that a more acceptable solution to you, Senator? Kasi sinabi na rin ng ombudsman na they are already building a case against the former Speaker.
Yes, that is justifiable. Kasi kung mag-state witness ka, huwag ka magtuturo pa baba. Ang turo mo dapat pataas. Ang turo mo dapat mas malaki, hindi mas maliit. Kasi kung ituturo niya, si late Jose Cabral, dahil pinartihan niya, kung ituturo niya, si dating Jose Bernardo, kasi pinartihan niya ng 25% o 15%, parang hindi naman yata tama yun. Kung magtuturo siya ng paakyat at palaki, well, I think that's justified.